Welcome to the second episode of the Estate Planning Horror Stories series, the one when Dad dies without a will. So here is our scenario. Dad has two sons who live nearby. They have a good relationship, so when the sons see that Dad is not doing too well, they start bringing up some topics that make Dad a little uncomfortable. All the sons want is to learn more about Dad's wishes, about his funeral arrangements, or about family heirlooms, where should they go, how to find some of the assets, and so on. But Dad is not cooperating. He says, "We don't talk about these things, you'll figure out when I die." So then he passes away only a few weeks later, and sons are left with a big mess. As Dad did not have an estate plan in place, did not have a will, did not have a list of wishes, did not have any instructions, and never wanted to talk about these things, the sons have to figure everything out. In addition to grieving and taking care of all little things that have to be addressed when someone passes, the sons have to agree on who pays for everything. They have to come up with a plan to make sure that everything is covered. While they both have successful jobs, they also have their own families, and they did not expect to have to come up with the cash or with the time to spend on figuring everything out. It all starts with the funeral. One son remembers that Dad wanted to be cremated and his ashes spread around the lake, and the other son remembers that Dad bought a plot somewhere and he wanted to be buried there. So then what happens next? The sons are so mad at each other that they don't talk for a full day. One of the biggest assets that Dad left behind is the house. While both sons agree that the house has to be sold to pay for expenses and such, it takes several months for the house to be sold. In the meantime, it just so happened that the tax bill was due. Who pays for the bills to the house? Electricity has to be running in the meantime. Without a plan in place, little things like that, little decisions that have to be made, bills that have to be paid, ruin relationships. Everyone is tired and grieving. The last thing they want to do is fight, but at the same time they have no instructions whatsoever. For example, who gets the car? What about some family heirlooms? It gets so bad that one son even mentions getting an attorney. Doesn't this sound like a horror story? I cannot stress it enough. Estate planning is so much more than avoiding going to court. It's so much more than paying thousands of dollars in court and attorney's fees. Estate planning is making sure that your wishes are known and followed. Estate planning is about making sure that there is a plan in place and everyone knows who's in charge and what they need to do. Everyone knows how to access and collect funds. Allow your family to grieve together and in peace. Put it in writing. If you don't know where to start, how much it costs, or you have questions, please give us a call at 405-857-8231. If you're not ready just yet, be sure to watch our other educational videos or come join us for a free lunch and learn that we hold once a month. Be sure to like our Facebook page and visit our website for more information on estate planning and for more educational videos. Thank you for watching.